First, power on your Spectrum Xumo Box and navigate to the Settings menu using the included remote or Spectrum app. Select Network or Wi-Fi Setup from the menu. The box will scan for available Wi-Fi networks, showing 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands if your router supports it. Next, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, remembering it's case sensitive. For best security, use WPA3 encryption if available. Finally, test your connection by running a speed test or trying to stream a video. If you run into problems, try rebooting your router or using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection. Let's talk passwords. Your Wi-Fi password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Spectrum recommends using a password manager app to keep track of strong passwords. If you forget your password, you can reset your router using the WPS button or through the Spectrum app, but make sure your devices are compatible beforehand. Also be aware of security best practices such as enabling two-factor authentication on your router and avoiding public Wi-Fi. Instead, use a VPN. If you continue to have issues, check for interference from other devices. You can also update your firmware via the Spectrum app or contact support at 1-855-478-678-6786 for further assistance.